New whip? Damn, F80 M3 boys. Just kidding guys, it's not mine. I wish. This is a homie bulletproof powder coating. But over here putting gas in his whip. And this car is so clean, bro. T37s. Those Brambos. It's too sick. Damn, now I'm starting to want one over the GTR again. What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. As you guys can see, I'm in the homie's F80 M3. This is actually gonna be the first time I drive it for a very long time. Quick little drive to the shop. We're gonna go to 412 Motorsport today, but I picked up the homie's car from his shop, bulletproof powder coating. This is his whip. Picked up his car, we're taking it to the shop for him because he's super busy. And I was like, why not? I get to drive an F80. I think Sam and Joseph are gonna do like spark plugs, oil change and stuff like that. Just some basic maintenance. But this car is beautiful, bro. And believe it or not, I almost got an F80 M3 over the GTR when I was looking for a new car. Almost. Like I even went to go look at one, but I didn't go through with it. I got the GTR instead. But this is literally like my second choice right here. Like every time I sit in one and see one, I kind of like feel like I made a mistake. But I don't know, I don't think I made the wrong choice, but this is definitely sick and I still want one. Like I still want to buy one of these one day. We got the carbon fiber steering wheel, paddle shifters. It has that new paint job. I don't know what color this is. If you guys know, let me know, but it's a sick ass color. Red interior, we got the roll cage. Anyways, I thought I'd vlog a little bit since I'm driving an F80 anyways, and you guys probably want to see me driving F80, I don't know. Or maybe you don't. But guys, this is a very fun car, very fast car. Woo! It probably has intakes, I think I can hear them. Guys, did I make a mistake? Should I have got this instead of the GTR? The cage is so sick. This is probably exactly how I would have it, to be honest. The cage, I wanted red interior super bad, and then I'd probably do this carbon fiber steering wheel. The only thing I probably would have got is stick shift, but DCT is fun. I have this in my E92. I'm not gonna push it anymore, it's not my car, but I had to do one pull. It's fun, dude, I love this car. I hope you guys can hear it, it sounds really sick, the burbles. Damn. We made it to this little car meet. It already looks packed, we barely got here, and it should be lit. But there's a lot of people here. The freeway was full, the exit was full, and now even to get into the parking lot, it's full. So that cock has the brightest lights I've ever seen. It doesn't even focus, that's how bright it is, dude. Man, look at that Supra. Porsche, R8, there's some crazy ass cars here. But there's no parking, zero parking, bro. Look how many people there are, dude. We finally found a parking spot after like 20 minutes of driving around. There's probably over 1,000 cars here and probably over like 5,000 people, bro. I'm not even joking. Oh my god. All the GTRs. Woo! Holy crap. We parked across from them. Dude, my GTR looks so lonely. It doesn't even look like a GTR. It's so dark. Damn, this one's clean. The white one. Blue one. Bro, the blue is sick. I've never seen this blue in person. And this orange one is just ridiculous, bro. That's crazy. Whee. I think it has like a Veris wide body kit. I think, I don't know. I think that's what it's called. That shit's sick. Bro, that shit is hard, dude. Crazy ass cars. Look at that Supra. I've seen that one before. Someone said it's like makes over 1,000. AMG. Another Supra, another Supra. Bro, there's literally tons of Supras. Oh, this place is packed. Why is that Miata so small? Oh, damn, McLaren boys. Ballers over here. Damn. You guys have seen this one in my vlog before? Sounds crazy. Damn. Turbo Huracan, Gold. I'll trade my GTR right now. Another Supra. Bro, I've never seen so many Supras in one place. Usually you see like 1 or 2 at a car meet if you're lucky. There's literally like 10 of them. And GTR is everywhere. Must be nice, bro. I need that. Ferrari, bro, that shit's crazy. Every time I see them, I get so sad. These shits are slammed too. I wish I bagged mine or did something to it. Alright. Bro, I want one. I think that's the next car after the GTR. I really think so. This one's the homies. With the full roll cage in the GTR. Goals. Damn, bro, look at that. This fool got a Tesla screen. Dude, there's literally supercars everywhere. And everything. There's literally everything here. I just found this random BMW. And it's actually super clean. Workmeisters. That shit is hard, dude. I love that. That's super clean. I want to do a matte color like that on my 92. So looks badass. Yeah, this shit is clean. All of these are clean, bro. Oh my god, the RX-7 is sick. Bro, this RX-7 is badass. I want one day, bro. That shit sounds sick. It's funny, a lot of people said my E46 sounds like a rotary. Damn, look at this. Damn. That's dope, bro. That's crazy. Look at that. My hoodie. Isn't it crazy that those shits came from my living room to his house and now he has one? I shipped that out, bro. And now it's here again.
And now you made what?
I touched it again. Oh, shit. For real? Talking about merch though, a new merch drop is coming soon. Just wait on it. Hopefully within like the next couple weeks I'm gonna drop it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, this is super random, but I wanted to show you guys this in the vlog before I end the video today. Might as well, because I'm sure a lot of you guys want to see this, and I'm pretty excited to open it. This is not sponsored or anything, so free advertisement right here. I just bought this because it was a really badass helmet, but this is my helmet for my drift car. In order to drift at some tracks, you need a very, very good helmet, and this is a very good brand I heard, so we got a new helmet. I've actually never bought a car helmet before, so this is actually the first one. Never mind, I take that back. I actually bought a helmet earlier this week, and it was the wrong helmet. It was a motorcycle helmet, and it wouldn't work at some of the drift tracks, so I had to return that helmet, and now I got an even better one. And this one is full carbon fiber, so I'm excited to open it. Dude, I hope this fits. I ordered it online, and if it doesn't fit, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, real quick, check out all these boxes though. All of these boxes is the new merch, guys. All of them. Maybe I'll give you a little sneak peek. This is one sneak peek right here. Damn, you guys are ready, bro. We got some sick stuff in here. We got some stuff in here. Some hoodies, some t-shirts. It's gonna be badass. I can't wait to show you guys all of them. That'll probably be next video. Dude, and also I haven't got a haircut in over a month, and I hate it. This is the longest I've ever had my hair. Oh my god, dude, look at this. I already see the carbon fiber. Dude, I opened the box and I was like, there's no way there's a helmet in here. It's so light. Boom. Oh my god, this shit is sick. So this is actually the first time seeing it for myself, so we both get to experience it together. Holy shit, it's sick. Hold on, I gotta take it outside so you get a better view. Oh my god, bro, this shit is badass. Guys, check this out. Full carbon fiber helmet. Heard of this brand before. I think a lot of drag racing people use it, so I'm sure it's good. It looks sick. Holy crap, bro. I like this one way better than the first one anyways. This one was actually a lot more expensive than the first one I had, but I was so frustrated that I bought the wrong helmet, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna ball out and buy a full carbon fiber one. Bro, this shit is too nice. I don't want to mess it up. Damn. Bro, it actually fits pretty nice. Way lighter than the other one, I think because it's carbon fiber. But this shit is sick. I'm about to whip the GTR like this. Bro, I actually might need this when we go to like a drag strip and the GTR. But mainly it's for the drift car. Damn. Well, that shit is sick. I love this helmet. But anyways, it is so hot in the helmet. I'm gonna end the vlog right there. I'm sorry the vlogs haven't been like very cool lately. I really like try to focus on like quality over quantity. I try to make good videos for you guys. If it's kind of whack, I don't really want to post it. So I'm sorry if this video is kind of boring. I don't know, let me know. But stay tuned because next video, like I said, we're gonna be taking the E46 to the drift track and it's gonna be so sick. My first time drifting. I'm a little bit scared, but I'm really excited. And also the GTR, I'm about to order all the full bolt-ons, so it's gonna go full bolt-ons very soon. That should be within like the next couple weeks too. Full bolt-ons, tuned and flames. So just wait, the vlog's gonna be very lit soon. I'm sorry this vlog is a little... Bro, that's a Huracan. There's a Huracan by my house. I've never seen a Lambo around here and there's one white Huracan. He's always driving by and I hear him every time. I'm gonna race him one day. I'm gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life. Cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend?